A few moments later. Yeah,
lavo
boy.
meu pezinho, lava minha mão. Mas Jesus, pra me deixar limpinho, quer lavar meu coração.
You serious?
This is peak sibling love, waking up first, but not disturbing your bestie. See, Dobermans aren't just protectors, they're the sweetest babysitters too.
Point of view, it's better.